Well, I try to make very thoughtful decisions when it comes to the foundation. So sometimes there are decisions that come over many months after consulting lots of experts, making sure I have the right data at hand, making sure I've seen all sides of the problem. So I would say it's rarely a snap decision. But then other times you'll get a decision, for instance, like on Ebola, the emergency response. As soon as we saw what was going on, Bill and I knew we wanted to act. We needed to take a few days to consult with experts. We took about 48 hours to say where could the foundation make a big difference, and then we acted within 48 hours. So it just depends on what the issue is that you're going after as to whether you have a slow or a fast response. But I think stepping back from the problem every time and being thoughtful about how quickly should we make this decision should be part of also how you think about what you're going after.